Hello once again. Today 29/3/20 and the topic is physics class 10th source of electric current, and the topic is source of current. The chapter name is electric current. Source of current are the source of direct current, we can say. The source of DC. You listen the word DC and AC. DC for direct current. Direct current. The source of DC or direct current are cells. You know about cell? Cell is a device in which chemical energy changes to electrical energy. This is very important. Cell is a device in which chemical energy changes to electrical energy. Cell two types के होते हैं. There are two type of cell. One is primary cell. Next is secondary cell. And the function of both the cell, primary as well as secondary cell, is to provide the current due to the chemical energy. The both cell provide current, and the difference is they both give current, and the difference is primary cell cannot be charged after use. It cannot be charged, and the secondary cell can be charged. Means this cell is rechargeable. This is the basic difference between these two cells. Primary cell we cannot charge it again, but secondary cell we can charge. The cell with example of the primary cells are you have heard the name simple voltaic cell, second one is Leclanché cell, Leclanché, Leclanché cell. These are the cell which cannot be charged. They give the current after chemical reaction. And example of secondary cell examples are lead accumulator, nickel, the symbol of nickel is Ni, nickel iron, Fe, or alkali accumulator. I'm giving you an example of these two cells because this is the topic of chemistry, but here we are using the electric current, and many times you will listen the term cell. That's why I have given you some idea that what are the cell. If you find this in your NCERT, you will not get about cell in the class 10, but it is a topic of previous classes, and I think that everyone knows about the cell. The symbol of cell is, I had told in the previous video also, this symbol of cell, one big line positive and one small line is negative. This is symbol of cell. And the symbol of battery is, combination of cell is known as battery. When we use a electrical circuit, we use cell, and for that we are not going to make that cell what we are seeing in our daily life. This symbol for the electrical cell, positive and negative, and this is positive and negative. This is the battery. This is battery, and this is cell. If I say that this is the battery in which there are three cells, 1 plus 1 minus 1 cell, plus minus 2 second cell, and plus minus 3 cell. There are 3 cell, combination of 3 cells is known as this battery. The current we are using in our houses that is alternating current. You will learn in this in higher classes, alternating current, and the short is AC, alternating current, and the symbol for alternating current is, this is a symbol for alternating current. So today I discuss about two sources of current. One is DC and other is AC. In DC we are using cell, and the second one is AC, alternating current. We are using for this generator on which so many appliances are in our houses. The DC and AC sources are there for the current, and the symbol for DC is cell, like positive and negative, and the symbol for alternating current is, we are using this type of symbol in circuit where we are using alternating current. Symbol for AC, alternating current. There are so many symbols we are using in to make electrical circuit. We had discussed about these cell and alternating current. Key, the symbol for key. This is a symbol for key. If we are using dot here, it is for close key, closed key, and if it is not dot, this is open key. Open key. Close key means circuit is on. Circuit is on, and open key means circuit CI is not working, means off. This is the two symbol for keys. Open key, this is open key, and this is close key. Key also known as switches. In so many circuits you can see the switch like this also. This is a switch, open switch, and this is close switch. This is also known as plug key. We can say that is plug key. Plug key. We can put a plug here. You will use in the lab. Then you will know about this. What is this is called plug key, and this is called tapping key, or we can say switch. These are symbols for this. The next is resistance. Resistance. The symbol for resistance is like this. This is a symbol of resistance. Resistance. I will tell you in the coming video that what is resistance, but this is a symbol for resistance. This is the symbol for rheostat. Rheostat. RH, we can say in the short form RH, and the spelling for rheostat is RHEOSTAT. OSTAT, rheostat, the symbol for this, also called variable resistance. Variable resistance. And so many places you can find this variable resistance like this also. Variable resistance, resistance which can vary. ये फिक्स रेजिस्टेंस है, इसका रेजिस्टेंस बदलेगा नहीं, एंड दीज टू आर द वेरिएबल रेजिस्टेंस. वी कैन चेंज द रेजिस्टेंस अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर रिक्वायरमेंट. दे आर कॉल्ड वेरिएबल रेजिस्टेंस एंड दिस इज फिक्स रेजिस्टेंस. फिक्स रेजिस्टेंस and these are the variable resistance we can change. Next, ammeter. A double M E T E R, ammeter. Ammeter is a device, or we can say instrument, to measure magnitude of current flowing in the circuit. Current flowing in the circuit. The symbol for ammeter is like this. There is not here. The symbol for ammeter is like this. Next is voltmeter. It is an instrument to measure potential difference. Potential difference. In the coming video, I will explain what is potential difference, but this is a device known as voltmeter to measure the potential difference in circuit between the 2 points. This is the device voltmeter, and the symbol for voltmeter is V is written on that device, and this is voltmeter. This is plus and this is minus. Next is, now these are the symbols you can find in your NCERT book, and the important question about ammeter and voltmeter is also, there is one question asked so many times, that how can we connect the ammeter and voltmeter to the circuit. In the circuit, ammeter is connected in series. Ammeter is connected in series. What the term series means, you will learn about this in the coming videos, but the important is how it is connected. 1 marks question asked so many times. The ammeter is connected in series, and voltmeter is connected parallel across any load in the circuit. You will know about what is the meaning of this when you draw the circuit, but now it is very important how it is connected. Voltmeter is connected parallel across any load, and ammeter is connected in series in the circuit. These are the symbols you can find in from the NCERT book also. You can make it very clear and learn the uses of these devices.